Have you ever dreamed of making money on YouTube? Maybe you want to build a business. But perhaps you are shy. You do not want to be on camera. This is where YouTube automation comes in. It is a powerful business model. It lets you create and run a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face. Think of it like this. You are the director of a movie, not the actor. You make the decisions. You build the system. But you hire a team of freelancers or use smart tools to do the creative work for you. This is how you can build an online asset that works for you 24/7. The main benefit of this model is freedom. You are not tied to a camera or a filming schedule. You can run your channel from anywhere in the world. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. This system allows you to build multiple channels in different niches. This is called diversification. It means you are not putting all your eggs in one basket. If one channel slows down, another can keep earning. YouTube automation is about creating scalable income streams. It is about building a real digital media company, even if you are just starting out as a solo entrepreneur from your bedroom. Let's talk about the potential. We see these channels everywhere. They are often called cash cow channels. These channels focus on topics that get a lot of searches. Think about topics like personal finance, luxury lifestyle, history, or meditation. The videos use stock footage, voiceovers, and text on screen. They provide value and entertainment to millions of people. The creators behind them are building serious wealth. They understand that content is king, but the system that creates the content is the kingdom. This is your opportunity to enter the creator economy in a smart, strategic way. So is YouTube automation for you? If you are a strategic thinker, you can do this. If you are willing to learn and delegate, you can succeed. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes work, planning, and a clear vision. But the rewards can be life-changing. You can build a source of passive income. You can create a brand that impacts people. You can achieve the time and financial freedom you have been looking for. This guide will show you the exact steps to get started on this exciting journey. Let's dive in and build your YouTube empire. The first and most important step is choosing your niche. A niche is the specific topic your channel will be about. This decision will affect everything else. It will determine your audience, your content, and how you make money. Do not just pick something you like. You must pick a niche that has a large audience and good potential for income. Look for topics with a high CPM, which means advertisers pay more to show ads on your videos. Great examples include finance, technology, health, and real estate. These are evergreen topics that people are always searching for. Once you have a list of potential niches, you need to do research. Go on YouTube and search for channels in those niches. Are they getting a lot of views? Look at their subscriber counts. Check their comments section. Is the audience engaged? This is market research. You want to find a niche that is popular but not impossible to compete in. A good strategy is to niche down. Instead of a broad finance channel, you could create a channel about investing for beginners or credit card tips for millennials. This makes it easier to stand out and attract a dedicated audience. Now, it is time to set up your channel. This is your brand. You need a unique and memorable channel name. You also need professional-looking branding. This includes your channel banner and your profile picture. You do not need to be a design expert. You can use a simple tool like Canva to create amazing graphics for free. Or, you can hire a freelancer on a site like Fiverr for a very low cost. Your branding should tell viewers exactly what your channel is about from the first second they see it. Make it clean, clear, and professional. With your branding in place, you need to optimize your channel for success. This means filling out the About section with a good description. Use keywords related to your niche so YouTube's algorithm understands your content. Set up your channel layout to feature your best videos or a compelling channel trailer. Even though you are automating the content, the channel itself needs a personal touch in its setup. This builds trust with your viewers. It shows that there is a real, thoughtful creator behind the scenes, dedicated to providing them with great content. The heart of your YouTube automation business is the content creation process. This is your assembly line. It needs to be efficient and produce high-quality videos consistently. The process starts with a great video idea. You can find ideas by looking at what successful channels in your niche are doing. Use tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to see what topics are trending and what keywords people are searching for. Your goal is to find topics that have high interest but maybe not enough great videos covering them yet. Always focus on providing value to the viewer. Next, every great video needs a script. The script is the blueprint. It guides the entire video. You will hire a freelance scriptwriter from a platform like Upwork or onlinejobs.ph. Give them the video title and a brief outline of what you want to cover. A good script should have a strong hook in the first 30 seconds to grab the viewer's attention. It should deliver on the promise of the title and have a clear call to action at the end, like asking viewers to subscribe or watch another video. This is a critical role, so find a writer who understands your niche well. With the script ready, you need a voice. You will hire a voiceover artist to record the audio. You can find talented artists on the same freelance platforms. Make sure you listen to their samples to find a voice that fits your channel's brand. Do you want a voice that is energetic and exciting, or calm and reassuring? The voiceover brings the script to life and creates an emotional connection with the audience. Clear, high-quality audio is non-negotiable. Poor audio will make viewers click away instantly, so invest in a good voiceover artist. Finally, it is time for the video editor to work their magic. The editor will take the audio from the voiceover artist and combine it with visuals. These visuals are usually stock footage from sites like Storyblocks or Envato Elements, along with text animations and background music. The editor pieces everything together to create an engaging and visually appealing video. This is another role you will outsource to a freelancer. Once the video is complete, they will send it to you, and you will be ready to upload it to your channel. This entire assembly line works without you ever stepping in front of a camera. Uploading the video is just the beginning. Now you need to optimize it so people can find it. This means writing a great title that is clickable and includes your main keyword. You also need to write a detailed video description. Use your main keyword and other related keywords throughout the description. This helps YouTube understand what your video is about. The most important part is the thumbnail. Your thumbnail is the billboard for your video. It needs to be eye-catching and create curiosity. Use bright colors, bold text, and compelling images to make people want to click. To grow your channel, you must be consistent. You need to upload videos on a regular schedule. This could be 1, 2, or even 3 times a week. This consistency trains the YouTube algorithm to promote your content. It also tells your audience when to expect new videos from you. As you publish more videos, YouTube will gather data on what your audience likes. Pay close attention to your YouTube analytics. Look at which videos get the most views and have the highest audience retention. Make more of what works. This is how you grow subscribers and views systematically. Let's talk about the tools that make this all possible. For keyword and topic research, TubeBuddy and VidIQ are essential. For finding high-quality stock footage and music, a subscription to Storyblocks or Envato Elements is a great investment. To hire your team of freelancers, scriptwriters, voiceover artists, and video editors, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and onlinejobs.ph are the places to go. For creating stunning thumbnails, Canva is an easy-to-use and powerful tool. These tools are the backbone of your automation business, helping you streamline your entire workflow. The ultimate goal is to monetize your channel. The primary way to earn money is through the YouTube Partner Program, which places ads on your videos. To qualify, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, but that is not the only way. You can also make money through affiliate marketing. This is when you recommend products in your videos and earn a commission on sales. You can also sell your own digital products or merchandise. As your channel grows, your income potential grows with it. Keep learning, keep testing, and keep improving your system. That is the secret to long-term success with YouTube automation.